Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear door handle on this 2005 Ford Focus. And we show you on the passenger side, but the driver's side is the same procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a 6mm socket and ratchet, a T15 Torx bit, a 1/4" socket, a pick, and a flat blade screwdriver.
This vehicle has manual windows, so we'll need to remove the manual window crank first. You can see we're using a pick. You just put it in there. There is a clip that holds the crank on. There's also a special tool designed for this, but you could use the pick like this. You could also actually just use a paper clip, bend it, and get down in there and get that off. Then use your pick or a small flat blade screwdriver, remove that panel, and there are two 6mm bolts right in behind. And we'll fast forward as we remove those.
Pry out the small panel behind the door handle. And behind here there's a T15 Torx bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Lining your door panel, there's 6 T15 Torx bolts. And we'll fast forward as Dawn removes those. Pry off the triangular panel at the top of your door panel. Pull the door panel out and lift it up and over the windowsill. And then over the handle, and it's free. Pull the interior door handle forward and pry up on this plastic cover. And underneath it, you can see the door handle cable. You want to just pull this straight out, and your door handle's free. To connect your new one, push the lock in, push that back down into the door handle, and use something to make sure it's pushed all the way in, and then push that cover back down, line up the tabs on the door handle and push it back into the door. Now to replace the door panel, slide it onto your interior door handle and push it down into the windowsill. Once you have it lined up, replace those 2 1/4" bolts in the pull handle and replace your pull handle panel. Now replace the T15 behind the door handle. And put that little screw cover back into place. Next, put the clip back into your window crank and push it onto that stud. And we'll fast forward as Dawn replaces those 6 T15s that line the door panel. And push your triangular panel back into place, and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.